Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to power off and restart your Samsung Galaxy S23 smartphone. Okay, so the first and really easy method is just tap and hold the power button and you can see power off, restart and emergency call. And guys, you can see the side button settings. If we go in side button settings, so you can see here we have in press and hold wake up Bixby and power off menu. So if we select the wake up Bixby, so after it, if we press and hold the power button, it will wake up the Bixby, and you can see trying to power off your phone, go there and you can see it will show you how to power off your phone. So if we slide from top in quick panel, here you can see, if we tap here you can see we have a power off, restart and emergency call feature available. You can see power off, restart and emergency call. So guys, this is the method to power off and restart Samsung Galaxy S23 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.